everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I will be guiding you through how to activate your Fifth Third debit card online. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. To activate your Fifth Third debit card online, the first thing to do is to open a web browser and then type in 53.com and press enter on your keyboard. Or you can also open up the Fifth Third mobile banking application on your preferred mobile devices. Once you're signed into the main home page, click on the login button at the top right and select online banking from the list, and then enter your user ID and password in the correct text boxes associated with your account. If you don't remember your login in credentials, then you can click on the Forgot Login button and follow through the instructions till the end. After entering the credential, click on Login, and once you're logged into your account, navigate to the Service Center or the Debit Card Services section and look for an option to activate your card. Follow through the on-screen prompts and you will be able to activate your new debit card for Fifth Third Bank. You can also contact the customer service representative by calling on this number over here and follow the instructions provided by the automated system or speak with a representative to activate your debit card. Apart from that, you can also visit any Fifth Third Bank's ATM and insert your debit card and follow through the instructions on the screen to generate your PIN. Once you set up your PIN, you will be able to activate your Fifth Third debit card right away. So that is how you can easily activate Fifth Third debit card within a couple of minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.